Est-ce que tu aimes?
Do you like?
Est-ce que tu aimes?
It is used to inquire about preferences or tastes. Do you like coffee?
Est-ce que tu aimes le café?
Do you like to dance?
Est-ce que tu aimes danser?
Do you like dogs?
Est-ce que tu aimes les chiens?
Do you like to cook?
Est-ce que tu aimes cuisiner?
Do you like sports?
Est-ce que tu aimes le sport? Qu'est-ce que?
What is?
Qu'est-ce que?
It is used to inquire about the nature or identity of something. What is it?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What are you doing?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
What does that mean?
Qu'est-ce que cela signifie?
What do you think?
Qu'est-ce que tu penses?
What do you want to eat?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? Où est?
Where is?
Où est?
It is used to ask for the location of something. Where is the library?
Où est la bibliothèque?
Where is the station?
Où est la gare?
Where is the restaurant?
Où est le restaurant?
Where is the hospital?
Où est l'hôpital?
Where is my phone?
Où est mon téléphone? Quand?
When?
Quand?
It is used to inquire about time or schedules. When does the train leave?
Quand part le train?
When is your birthday?
Quand est ton anniversaire?
When can we meet?
Quand pouvons-nous nous rencontrer?
When does the movie start?
Quand commence le film?
When does the store open?
Quand ouvre le magasin? Comment?
How?
Comment?
It is used to ask about methods, conditions, or feelings. How are you?
Comment vas-tu?
How to do that?
Comment faire cela?
What is his name?
Comment s'appelle-t-il?
How did it happen?
Comment est-ce arrivé?
How can I help you?
Comment puis-je vous aider? Qui?
Who?
Qui?
It is used to inquire about people. Who is it?
Qui est-ce?
Who is coming with us?
Qui vient avec nous?
Who took my book?
Qui a pris mon livre?
Who told you that?
Qui t'a dit ça?
Who is cooking tonight?
Qui cuisine ce soir? Pourquoi?
Why?
Pourquoi?
It is used to inquire about reasons or causes. Why are you crying?
Pourquoi pleures-tu?
Why is it cold?
Pourquoi il fait froid?
Why are we leaving?
Pourquoi nous partons?
Why is she sad?
Pourquoi elle est triste?
Why are you studying French?
Pourquoi tu étudies le français? Je m'appelle.
My name is.
Je m'appelle.
It is used to introduce oneself. My name is Marie.
Je m'appelle Marie.
My name is Pierre.
Je m'appelle Pierre.
My name is Lucy.
Je m'appelle Lucie.
My name is Jean.
Je m'appelle Jean.
My name is Emma.
Je m'appelle Emma. Je viens de.
I come from.
Je viens de.
It is used to indicate one's place of origin or recent departure point. I come from Paris.
Je viens de Paris.
I come from Canada.
Je viens de Canada.
I come from Tokyo.
Je viens de Tokyo.
I come from New York.
Je viens de New York.
I come from London.
Je viens de Londres. J'habite à.
I live in.
J'habite à.
It is used to indicate where one lives. I live in Marseille.
J'habite à Marseille.
I live in Berlin.
J'habite à Berlin.
I live in Sydney.
J'habite à Sydney.
I live in Madrid.
J'habite à Madrid.
I live in Rome.
J'habite à Rome. J'ai ans.
I am years old.
J'ai ans.
It is used to state one's age. I am 20 years old.
J'ai 20 ans.
I am 15 years old.
J'ai 15 ans.
I am 30 years old.
J'ai 30 ans.
I am 25 years old.
J'ai 25 ans.
I am 18 years old.
J'ai 18 ans. À quelle heure?
At what time?
À quelle heure?
It is used to ask for specific times for events. At what time does the movie start?
À quelle heure commence le film?
At what time is dinner?
À quelle heure est le dîner?
At what time does the train leave?
À quelle heure part le train?
At what time does the store open?
À quelle heure ouvre le magasin?
At what time does the class end?
À quelle heure finit la classe? Il est.
It is.
Il est.
It is used to tell the time. It is noon.
Il est midi.
It is midnight.
Il est minuit.
It is 7 o'clock.
Il est 7 heures.
It is 3 o'clock p.m.
Il est 15 heures.
It is 6 o'clock p.m.
Il est 18 heures. Je vais.
I am going to.
Je vais.
It is used to indicate future actions or intentions. I am going to the cinema.
Je vais au cinéma.
I am going shopping.
Je vais faire des courses.
I am going to visit my grandparents.
Je vais visiter mes grands-parents.
I am going to the library.
Je vais à la bibliothèque.
I am going to do sports.
Je vais faire du sport. Je suis.
I am feeling.
Je suis.
It is used to describe one's feelings or state of being. I am feeling tired.
Je suis fatigué.
I am feeling happy.
Je suis heureux.
I am feeling sad.
Je suis triste.
I am feeling excited.
Je suis excité.
I am feeling sick.
Je suis malade. Combien coûte?
How much does cost?
Combien coûte?
It is used to inquire about the price of something. How much does this book cost?
Combien coûte ce livre?
How much does this ticket cost?
Combien coûte ce billet?
How much does this watch cost?
Combien coûte cette montre?
How much does this dress cost?
Combien coûte cette robe?
How much does this hat cost?
Combien coûte ce chapeau? Ça coûte.
It costs.
Ça coûte.
It is used to state the price of something. It costs 20 euros.
Ça coûte 20 euros.
It costs $5.
Ça coûte 5 dollars.
It costs 100 francs.
Ça coûte 100 francs.
It costs 15 pounds sterling.
Ça coûte 15 livres sterling.
It costs 30 yen.
Ça coûte 30 yens.